wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best heated cat houses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. The extremely flexible thermo-kitty cabin can be formed into 3 different shapes, giving your fuzzy friend some real estate options. The soft foam walls are incredibly snug and comfortable as well, so don't be surprised if your pet starts napping even more than usual. The bottom is very thick and it's well ventilated for summer use, but the entryway is too small for big cats. At number 8, it's not designed for outdoor use, but the K&H Pet Products 3621 offers a comfy getaway for your cat inside your home. It's a smart way to encourage your pet to sleep in a designated area, as the windowsill or ironing board just won't be able to compete with it. This one's good for older pets, and the heater is removable. However, it doesn't get very warm. Coming in at number 7 on our list. Made of rugged 600 denier polyester, the Mod Thermo Kitty is more than capable of standing up to all but the most extreme elements. It's a smart choice for barns or garages, and it's very cozy for a single cat, allowing her to feel safe even when the mercury drops. It's also suitable for small dogs and won't cause pets to overheat, but it does emit a strong odor initially. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated cat houses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, with its A-frame design, snow and rain effectively run off the roof of the K&H Manufacturing 3992, so it never gets weighed down. Also, assembly is a cinch thanks to its simple hook and loop fasteners, so you can offer your kitty protection in no time. The fleece bed cover is machine washable, and this one can accommodate up to 4 cats. However, it is lightweight and a little flimsy. Moving up our list to number 5. The Millard Portable is a functional and affordable option that your furry friend will thank you for when it gets cold outside. Its fitted fuzzy fleece mat is powered by a non-toxic PVC-coated cord that's chew-resistant for added safety. It comes with see-through flaps for better views and can be assembled in minutes, but the roof lets a little rain in. At number 4, the thermo-kitty playhouse provides a cozy place for your feline to escape to for undisturbed alone time. Its micro-suede and soft fleece construction is easy to spot clean when needed, and it doesn't require any tools for assembly. It zips apart for simple storage and features a padded top for lounging and a stylish leopard print with tan walls. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For users who have several cats to house, and once you start taking care of one feral cat, more are sure to follow. There's the extra wide outdoor. It can hold up to 3 felines, and the 2 exits lets them come and go with ease and without squabbles. It's also good for indoor use and is made of water-resistant materials. It provides lots of room for larger cats. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated cat houses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're looking for something a little more durable than the typical fleece options, the birchwood manor is made of real wood. It offers ample UV protection to your outside buddies, and you can even paint it to spruce it up a little if you like. It's easy to put together and comes with optional clear flaps. It traps heat well. And taking the top spot on our list, with its high-quality 600 denier waterproof nylon construction and sturdy overhanging roof, the K&H Manufacturing 3993 gives protection and warmth when the temperatures drop. There are front and back exits, so your fuzzy buddy won't get trapped by predators. This one's suitable for sub-zero temperatures and comes in 3 different colors, with an electro-soft bed that heats up quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for heated cat houses, or simply click beneath this video.